Welcome to this podcast about first steps with an netDL. The drivers should be already installed as shown in the previous podcast. At the start, you should connect the netDL to the PC using a standard USB cable. Make sure that the netDL 500 or netDL 1000 is selected in the menu device. Then select USB from the shown drop-down list and click on Read to download the actual configuration from the netDL. Before making any changes, you should first export the configuration to the hard disk. Click on File, then select Export, define a location, and finally press the Save button. The separate option Configurations Save will store the configuration in the internal database on your PC. To start with the default, you select File and the first option, New Configuration. Now make some small changes. Set the station number with maximum of 10 digits according to your numbering system. For example, 100395500. Type in the name of your location, for example, Bear River at Border, Wyoming. And select the UTC offset of your standard time zone, for example, -7 hours. In our first channel, you might change the channel number. In our example 0810, the channel name Power Supply, the text information for the unit volt, and the number of decimal places. This will be our default configuration for the following podcasts, so export it to your hard disk. You might extend this with your standard communication and other individual settings later. After that, click the button Program and confirm to erase the database. The configuration will be transferred to the permanent memory of the netDL. The netDL will reboot and is then in operation with the new configuration. Next, we will import the templates that will be used in the next podcasts. You might see already some templates from the setup. New or updated templates will be provided on the MyOT webpage. You can download and import them with File, Templates, Import. Select one or multiple files and press Open. The selection will be added to the Stored Templates collection. Alternatively, you open the Windows Explorer and simply drag and drop the files to the stored templates in the lower left area. For existing templates, you will be asked to replace. Thanks for watching. Now you're prepared to select the next podcast on how to connect your specific sensor to the netDL.